Step 1 is to select your clips and order them according to the beat marker. Step 2 is to split the clip in between each beat marker. Delete the second half of the clip and then adjust the first clip accordingly. Step 3 is to duplicate or copy-paste the first clip right next to each other. Step 4 is to compound the clip and add reverse to it. This makes reversing much faster. Step 5 is to compound both the reversed clip and the first clip. Step 6 is to go to speed, then curves, and then select custom. Follow what I am doing or do the curve that's there on the screen. After this, you will need to enable smooth slow-mo and apply optical flow. Do this to all clips and that's it. You learned how to do reverse edits. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.